Node certified.
I received my SENZER headphones today, and I'm about to unbox them. This is just showing the outsides of the box, what it looks like prior to unboxing it. Really nicely packed. The box is a little smaller than what I expected, but we'll see what's inside. Big things come in small packages sometimes. So here we go. Unboxing it. Looks like we have some nice foam wrap around there. And it's nicely packed with the separator, and it's like they fold pretty compactly for transport, and that's why the box is so small. These look like some pretty decent quality headphones. Nice SENZERs. The volume button knob there on the side. Knob, I love that it's a knob instead of a button, so it's not mixed up with all the other buttons on the side. So I like that feature already. I noticed it's got the microphone on there, which is retractable. Have the left and the right gold letters in each of the headsets. SENZER on the top, nice padded. It's got the charging cable there, and it's got the USB connector. So it's pretty simple setup. A few things that I noticed about these that I like right off the bat. A few highlights is the very cushiony ear cover with the foam. These they look very comfortable. We're going to see and put them on and record the sound and everything in a moment. So that's the first thing. The other thing is I like how it has a uniquely retractable microphone. You don't see the microphone right now, but this is it right here. So this comes out like that, and it can be hidden if you're not using it just by pushing it in there. So I like that. The other thing that's kind of unique about these SENZER headphones that I like is instead of having a volume button that gets mixed up with all the other buttons on the side, it actually has its own knob here that distinguishes how to control the volume on the headphones themselves. Also, you have your typical, the power button, which is separated like that. You know by the feel that the power is going to be right there at the top. On the side of the headphones, you have your typical microphone mute button there. You have your EQ button, and then you also have a mode button there at the bottom. So those are the additional buttons, and I'm on that microphone now. You can tell the difference of the quality. I'm talking on the microphone from the headphones. I switched over so you can hear the difference in the quality. Overall, I feel like this is a great set of headphones, and I would highly recommend them.